First time I found out that you're also making bags.
Yes, man.
Oh, wow. Ano mga bags to?
These are chest rigs. It's like a tactical vest.
Uh-huh.
Perfect for travelers. If I know you guys travel.
Yeah.
Perfect for traveling. So, kasi dyan, here, pakita mo.
Oh, it's like a belt bag.
It's like a belt bag, pero yung suot mo, anti-theft, kasyang passport, kasya cellphone, boarding pass, power bank. Ooh, manami.
Wow.
So, let's get it.
Let's look at it.
Here it goes right now. So, what I do is I get pre-loved bags. Right now we have Louis Vuitton, as you can see. So here it comes. You get your keep all, right? Or the more the tela, the more bags I can make. Diba?
So, pang hinayang naman. Parang just useless na lang. So, why tear it apart?
Someone's trash can be someone's treasure. Diba? So, ayun. So this is the outcome. Here is the LV chest rig.
Oh,
ayan.
Oh.
Parang bagay sa'yo.
Oo nga eh. How do I wear it?
So you can have this here. So
And
ito there.
Put over my head. Yeah.
Adjust mo yan.
Adjust natin.
Yeah.
Yan, okay ba?
So, di na tayo.
Saan mo na ko yung inspiration nito, Chris?
Well, for one, I play airsoft
Uh-huh.
with my squad. Shout out to Squad QP Alt.
Oh.
Yeah,
No. So you can put your